first step. You have to make sure you find the power source to your doorbell so you don't get electrocuted. Cut the power. That's the very, very first step. You want to make sure that you don't have power to your doorbell. For one, I can see that it's not lit up. Two, don't hear anything inside. Now we're ready for the next step. So we want to uninstall the existing doorbell. Now that the power has been secured, real simple and easy. Screws are removed. You just simply pull the face down and you see your wiring. Let's go to the next step. Got to make sure you go to your doorbell, remove the cover, and I've already placed everything in place using the transformer side, which is the one in the middle, and the front. And you see we got the ring device on there, transformer, and the front. I actually had installed it in my closet doorbell, which was the wrong one. This is the right one. But make sure you, inside the book, it's the first two, but inside my doorbell, the rear is first, and then the transformer, then the front. So make sure it's plugged into the front and the transformer. And put your cover back on. Now you also want to make sure you're not installing it at an angle. If it's flat, we're just doing a flat mount today. All right, so we're gonna mark the holes. I'm gonna take this face plate off so we can mark the holes and go from there. Let's go. We're now going to mark where the doorbell is gonna go, putting the actual Ring doorbell in place where we want it. Dot here, dot there. So now what we want to do, we want to loosen our screws here because we're going to connect the screws to the two wires. Real simple and easy.
Not safe.
No, it's not. All right, so we have our wires in place now. We want to screw this in. Got it. Peel this off after you're done. May take a few minutes after you've screwed everything in and cut the power back on. Let's go to the next step. Right, as you can see, we've connected the wires. We've marked our hole. Now it's time to put our screws in. So now we just want to put our screws in. All right, before we put our faceplate on, we're going to cut the power back on. All right, now we want to cut our power back on. As you can see, the Ring doorbell is powering up. The manual said it could take a few minutes, so while it's doing that, let's go ahead and download our app. As you can see here, set up your Ring doorbell in the Ring app. So we're gonna do just that. Once you've connected the app, you're good to go. So you just wanna choose your faceplate. We're choosing this one. It matches the shake board of the house. But there are 3 faceplates, and of course you could always custom paint it. But yeah, that's it. And don't forget to screw in the bottom. There is a screw on the bottom of the faceplate. There is a screw on the bottom of the faceplate. Let's not forget to screw that in. Like so. And remember, this one is the special screw that fits this tool. So remember to remember to use this side of your tool and that specific screw. I call it with a key screw, and lock that in. And you're done.